Are you looking for the best soup makers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best soup makers that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Philips Kitchen Appliances Soup Maker. This soup maker works with 110 or 120 voltage power supplies. The container also has the construction of BPA-free plastic. Moreover, the stainless steel base and lid involve the construction of stainless steel. This kitchen appliance lets you prepare the best homemade soups. This soup maker automatically adjusts the heat settings according to your needs. Nevertheless, the manufacturer brings you a recipe book. The unique blade design also blends ingredients uniformly. Furthermore, you can make soups from broccoli, tomatoes, potatoes, and more. This appliance more or less takes 18 minutes to prepare soups. However, this countertop blender has 6 preset programs. Hence, you can make smoothies, compote, cold or chunky soups. Number 4. Itavi brand PrestoPure Soup Maker. With a capacity of 1.9 liter, this soup maker produces the best hot soy milk. This appliance also has the construction of dual-layer stainless steel. Hence, this appliance retains the heat longer than usual. Moreover, this appliance has 7 different functions. You can make pureed soups, oatmeal, milk, porridge, and more. The filter-free grinding function also offers hassle-free cleaning. Furthermore, this appliance prepares nut milk from almonds, pecans, and more. The bottom heating option produces and distributes the heat evenly. However, you can use seeds like hemp, sunflowers, sesame, and more. This kitchen appliance prepares milk from oats. You can get a recipe book with this purchase. Number 3. Simple Living Products Portable Soup Maker. This soup maker takes about 20 minutes to prepare homemade soups. The kitchen appliance also involves the construction of food-grade stainless steel material. Moreover, the fingerprint-resistant exterior makes cleaning and maintenance trouble-free. The dual-layer construction dissipates the heat rapidly. However, the bottom heating option distributes the heat uniformly. The unique blade structure lets users get the desired texture every time. Furthermore, the container holds up to 1.6 liter of soups. This kitchen appliance comes with 4 preset programs. Therefore, you can make chunky soups, pureed soups, juices, and soy milk. Nevertheless, this appliance rapidly generates and distributes the heat. This system utilizes filter-free grinding for quick cleaning. Number 2. Smart Living Soup Maker. The soup maker comes with a maximum capacity of 1.6 liter. The kitchen appliance also prepares soups within 30 minutes. Moreover, the stainless steel construction never troubles you while cleaning. You can use this appliance for preparing homemade gourmet soups. Nevertheless, this handy maker comes with 4 different settings. This maker has smooth, juice, chunky, and blending settings. This appliance also provides hassle-free storage and portability. Furthermore, you can prepare soups for multiple servings at once. The user-friendly control panel lets you use this appliance without any stress. However, the scratch-resistant exterior prolongs the lifespan of this appliance. This manufacturer adds a recipe book with this set. Number 1. Bar Electric Soup Steamer. This multi-purpose electric steam cooker holds up to 3 liter of soups. This appliance also has a ceramic-derived inner pot. Moreover, the ceramic pot never spoils the natural flavor of your food. This soup maker retains the heat for a long time. Nevertheless, this multifunctional appliance prepares seafood, medicinal meals, and more. You can also clean and maintain this appliance without any hassle. Furthermore, you can flexibly change the cooking and holding time. The cyclic distillation cooking method makes cooking less or greasy. However, this method preserves the flavor after cooking. This steam cooker includes a preset function for 9.5 hours of cooking.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.